Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk only about BTC. Let's dive in. Guys, this is going to be just a quick update for BTC, only on daily 12 time frame, 4 hour time frame charts. So global targets, guys, I a million times explained it to you. For me personally, nothing changes. So I'm waiting the BTC over than 135K this year or the next year. Nobody knows the time. Is it possible? So 110 K for BTC, it was an all-time high, and we're going down to long time period bear market. Of course, it's possible. Of course, it's possible. We just work with possibilities. So, guys, I follow my plan and I stick to my plan. For the next maybe few months, maybe I will adjust my plan for alts, because I'm not hold BTC. I'm not buying BTC now, so I totally don't care about BTC now. So time to buy, time to accumulate BTC was in 2022 to 2023 in the range 15 and 25K, for example. So it's my thoughts. Accumulate BTC at 84K and wait 100% returns and wait BTC 170K. For me, it's absolutely no make sense. So locally, guys, this is an all-time high. Let's mark this one. This is a zone where I'm waiting for, but we didn't touch just a few cents, just a few $100. So we stop it at 74K 459 on the futures on the Binance. My take was 73,905. Why? Because it was an previous all-time high. This one in March 2024. We didn't test it, so it's not necessary. So we should all the time test till penny. Now all eyes basically on Monday on some news about tariffs between the United States and the China. So now everything mostly about the media, the rumors, some thoughts and the talks from China and United States and the Trump, so now it's more about, not like geopolitics, but the macro. So let's be real. Technically, if we open the chart here, 4 hour time frame, is this possible? So this is double bottom. Basically, yes. We didn't sweep this low, so we start to build a local uptrend. The target of this double bottom can be, let's say, around, I guess, yearly open. This one. So in the previous videos also I explained to you the crucial level for us. It's this block. It's 88,800. So this one we have to pass this one, breaking out, retest, and build the uptrend structure. So if it's a range 1, 2, so around yearly open, it's exactly the equilibrium of this range. So yes, we didn't touch 73,900. Is this possible? So we will touch? Yes, of course. Of course it's possible. We formed the equal lows, this one. So technically this is a equal lows. And definitely one day maybe we will come back and sweep these lows. Maybe not now. So it's just a matter of time, right? And we can form a deviation, right? If it's a range and we can trade longer, right? So in summer. So yes, guys, it's possible to see, for example, something like this one, test the yearly open. After that, drop in summer, form deviation at the bottom, going higher, and form deviation at the top in autumn. Technically, it's going to be the worst case scenario, because we will waste the time once again. So, of course, everybody waiting now, the rocket up. But guys, market makers, the market absolutely doesn't care what we waiting for. That's why we work only with the current data. So locally, guys, the magnet for BTC is 88,766, and the yearly open 93,528. Pretty simple. Now we got a daily. After that, under we got 82,528. It's monthly, weekly. So this one, 78,400. So it's possible to see this level. I hope we just hold the line at the monthly, close the weekly, and the next week from Monday we're gonna open, I don't know, this one. So this line, weekly open, will be here. We going higher, and after that maybe drop it back, and build a structure, build a local structure. So this is what about like 4 hour time frame. To open longs, you can at monthly open, for example, or at tasks of weekly open 78,300. What will happen with alts if we will drop to 78,400 again? Hard to say. Depends of BTC dominance. This low, basically, we already sweep it, so we can delete it. And 12 time frame, guys, looks absolutely identical. Yes, we got a pretty good candle test, almost fulfill of 12 time frame, and go higher. Why we should drop now to 78 or even 73,900? I don't know. Only just because of news. So this is one reason. Daily, everything the same. Weekly, pretty good a week. I mean week candle. So the next one can be here. There is no gaps, nothing. Monthly also looks good. So this is a 1, 2, 3. It drops. So we close all gaps, almost fulfill. Next one is under only this tiny one. It's 66K, and this is a fulfill. So this one 36. So should we drop to, I don't know, 36K or 66K? I don't think so. So we can form 1, 2, 3, third top here. Timing, it's hard to say, guys. Nobody knows the timing. That's why if it's a range, the worst case scenario for summer, it's a form deviation at the bottom here, 73K, for example, 900 by end of August or June, right? But I hope not, because this time everything looks like a mirror chart, because in 2021 we top it in April, May 2021 we top it. Now the April, May 2025, after the 4 years for alts especially, it's like a bottom, right? A lot of altcoins now at the historical all-time low. And in 2021, it was historical all-time high. Sometimes it's worked like a mirror way. For BTC, it's hard to say. Now we, of course, closer to the all-time high than to all-time low. That's why we have to work with the uptrend. Let's check with the indicators, guys. So this was accumulation at 78K. This one here, 82K here. After that, 78,200, then 76, 74. So we formed the 12 time frame, the warranty. Pretty good one. Here was signal to buy on a direction indicator. On a daily, the same story. So 1, 2, 3. 3 and this one. It was also the warranty. Can we drop? Yes, of course we can. This was a disbelief and capitulation in April 7, a week ago, at 74,457. Now we pump it, it's a positive. So it's a positive mood on the market on a daily. So technically this is not a AFRIA. AFRIA can be around here. Local one, AFRIA at 93, 95K. Money power, guys, here. This was a money inflow at 95K and at 82K on the daily time frame. So technically the average can be, I don't know, 80, 85, 87. Good one, 12 time frame also here, even better. 88K, here's a RSI bullish divergency, no money inflow, but average entry can be in this range, like 85. 85, so they can easily put the price higher, and get a 100% profit again. With the second leverage, for example. Trade on, guys, here. Sell, let's check it daily. Sell, close all short position was here at 82. Buy, bounce, recommendation close position, no new signal to buy. That's why I repeat, we got a chance to drop to monthly open, weekly open, and even this one. So if you want to open long now, just add your stop losses under some of these levels. If you want to open, short, you add stop losses over then 86, for example, 500. So it's pretty simple, guys. There's always two options. Nobody knows the future, but we work with the logical levels. So this is a logical level to open long. This is three levels to open long, right? logical one. So here was a logical level open long again. You can't wait, till penny. So you could open long like this one with, I don't know, with let's say 3% stop loss to 71K. Or you could open position here, for example, with let's say 5% stop loss with second leverage, it's 10%. And with a target here. So 4.8 ratio risk reward. Pretty good one. Timing, guys, nobody know the timing. Nobody know the timing and never ask the timing. So here, the take profit line on BTC now, it's 121K 275. Exit line, it's 136K 910. Yes, of course, we closed to the buy line. It's kind of bad. It's 61K. What should happen with the market? So BTC dump to 61K 200. Hard to say. Really hard to say. Weekly even better. 41K 600. 12 time frame, the same story. So here, it can be the test of this level. Exit line a little bit higher, and my take is yes, still the same. So I think it's around 139K. What a market, I guess, months ago for BTC. It can be the last all-time high. I don't believe in 200K for BTC, 250, 300, all of these random numbers. But of course, guys, it's just my personal opinion. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write Mariam, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.